Hello guys. Now, when I tell you guys about PRZ area of interest, okay, I have to make sure that you guys understand what we mean by that. Before you look at your, before you start looking at your harmonic structure, even before the measurement, you need to have a PRZ area of interest. You need to have PRZ area of interest, okay. You need to have PRZ what? Area of interest. First of all, you need to have that. That is what you need to have. You need to find out where price is likely to react from. Okay. Once you discover PRZ area of interest, the next thing is to ask yourself, do you have, with the current price movement right now, do you have any kind of harmonic structure that will potentially lead you to your PRZ area of interest? That is just it. So when you discover your PRZ area of interest, you ask yourself, do you have, with the current movement of price right now, do you have a harmonic structure? Let's talk about the structure first of all before the measurement. Do you have a harmonic structure that will potentially lead you to your potential reversal zone interest? And at the interest, what are we looking at for? We are looking at for what? Fair value gap, area of support and resistance, order block. Price have tested before in the past, okay, and it's about to react from. Now to explain what I just said, which I've also done in the past, you can see that this level right here is a significant level of support. Price have tested before in the past multiple times. This is even on a daily time frame. Oh, this is on a daily time frame, multiple times. Okay. Now, for instance, you came here on the daily, you saw that the price is already at this point in time. Okay. Now, you already have a PRZ area of interest around this area. Okay. Now, you begin to ask yourself, with the current movement of price, is there any way price will definitely get to this point? Now, what you need to now do is you now look out for retracement and extension. We'll have a retracement here. We'll have this point here. Voila. We might have a harmonic structure, and that is perfectly fine. So what you will now do is you take your first measurement. You take your first measurement of the retracement you have discovered. You take your first what? Measurement. Okay? From this point to this point, we are getting what? 0.45. Okay. Now you know that for bat pattern, we'll have a tolerance level of what? 5%. And that is 0.5. This is 0.5. So 0.5 minus 0.05 is will give you what? 0.45. And you know for bat pattern, it is between the B point is between 0.38 and 0.5. So this is valid. So you've already gotten this point. Now S to A is 0.886. So that is a place where you are expecting the potential reversal zone to occur. That is the place you're expecting price to react from. And what are we seeing here? 0.886. That was where price reacted from. So what you will now do is you don't even necessarily need to measure this point because this is already a retracement. And you know that the C point is between 0.382 and 0.886. So we are not expecting a double top here. We're expecting 0.886, 0.9 something, but it shouldn't be a double top. So what you will do, you can still measure this, but this is already defined. This should come around 0.6 or 0.618 or zero point 0.5, which is 100% valid. Okay, that is zero point 0.5, which is valid. So it's already a valid point already. But our interest is at the potential reversal zone of what? Interest. Now, if you zoom in on this, you can see that What do we see here? Now, we see a reaction around this place. Now, this was a kind of a minor support level. Let me just go to that. This is a minor support. Okay. This was a support. Price broke through that support, came back and retested it as what? This is a daily time frame more. Let us even go down to let's go down to 2 hour time frame and look at that very well. This is 2 hour time frame. I think this is I think this is not showing on 2 hour. Let me just make this. It's showing on 2 hour. Let me change the color. Or let me make it a border enough. Yes. So let's go to 2 hour time frame. Okay. So this is the place I'm talking about. Yes, this is the place I'm talking about. Okay. This is the place I'm talking about. Now let me zoom in on this place. Now I said you see that this place right here is this is a support that has broken and retested as what? Resistance and broken and retested as resistance. You see how price was reacting from this level. And if you come down to 2 hour time frame, what are we seeing here? An order block. You can see that this is an order block. And this is what? Inefficiency. Let me look at 4 hour and see if that is if that is a one candle. If you come to 2 hour time frame, you can see that this is just what? One candle. One candle. This is an order block with a what? A fair value gap. Okay. Now you see this reaction at this level. So this makes this place a zone of what? Interest. So all you are waiting for is what? Is price reaction. You want price to get to this point and react and give you a confirmation what? Candle. We talked about liquidity sweep confirmation candle and you saw it here playing out on the 4 hour time frame. We got the liquidity sweeps confirmation candle, which is even like a morning star. You enter your trade here, you take your entry from this point. If I see candle close here bullish, let's say for instance I come and price already here, I'm not going to take my entry from this level. I will put my pending order here because there's possibility that price will still come back here and retest. You can see it retested it multiple times before pushing up, and your stop loss above this level. Okay, because it's already defined, you know your defined stop loss level. So now you've already, if you even come to the daily time frame, I think the liquidity sweep is even more visible on the daily. Let me go to this point. This is the recent. Good. Okay. Okay. You take your entry from what? From this point. You can say that this candle now is like a week. Let me zoom in on this to show you guys what is happening here. This is a liquidity sweep. You see that this candle, this is 1 day candle. This is a week. If you go to lower time frame like 4 hour now, it's a candle, but it's a week on the higher time frame. Okay. Let me just refresh. It's a week on the what? Higher time frame. But it's a candle on the 4 hour time frame. So you can see how this is already a confirmation. When you see this kind of things, already what? A confirmation. It's already a confirmation. You have a liquidity sweep and it closed up. It's a confirmation. So you take your entry from this level. Okay. I don't think I can, because I'm recording, I can't be able to do all that. Now, you now use your SABCD to enclose that reaction so you can be able to see what you are doing very well. To enclose their reaction so that you know the area you are taking your trade from. That is the essence of this SABCD tool. I don't usually look at the measurement of the SABCD tool. I do the measurements myself. I don't look at the measurements. I take the measurement myself, and I don't even use the indicator anymore. It will get to a point you don't even need indicator anymore. If you understand the concept, you don't need indicator. You don't need indicator for all of this. Okay. Now, if we establish this point 0.886. Now B2C measurement. Let's also confirm that B2C measurement. B2C measurement, let's start from 2 points. Let's start from 2, 2.24, 2.61, 2.61. That is a very, very perfect This is a very perfect example of bad pattern. Oh my God, look at that measurement, guys. Look at that measurement. 0.886 complemented 2.618. Can you see the power of what we are learning? Okay. Now we've taken off all of these measurements and I've taken all of this out. What I need is what? My um take profit levels, all right? So the essence of this video is to explain more about the potential reversal zone area of interest. Very, very important. Okay. So for the stop loss and the take profit level, we are going from A to D. Okay, from A to D. You can see this is where we achieve our first take profit. Price reacted from 0.5. Price, let me even push this a little bit off this point. Price reacted from 0.5. You can see how price we achieve our first take profit level already 3.6%. Oh, this is 3.6% based on where you put your stop loss. This is already 3.6%. We've already achieved 0.382. You can see price reaction here. Okay. Now we achieved 0.5 and we got this what consolidation. Of course, you can see this is actually we call it a kind of a flag or a wedge, all right, which is signaling what a continuation to the upside. You can see how everything you will learn is playing out here. Okay, now we finally did what achieve our full take profit around this level. Personally, I did not participate in this trade anyway. I'm just using it as an example. You can see what we did here. We achieved a massive take profit just by understanding potential reversal zone area of interest. Okay, now let's go to the current price right here. That doesn't mean that you will not experience losses. So, okay, losses are part of the business, it's part of trading, but this will help you to minimize losses. And there is another particular topic I need to teach you guys, which is the uh, order flow. Yes, I need to teach you guys order flow, and I think that will be the last thing. Now, you see that as price is pushing up, we have a reaction around this level also. And then if you look closely, we also have a kind of a harmonic structure, not a pattern, because I don't really know if the measurement is correct. But we have a harmonic structure like this, which looks like a shark. Now ask yourself, why won't I take this trade? Because of order flow. It's because of what? Order flow. Order flow is bullish. Order flow is bullish. Order flow is bullish. I will teach you guys order flow so that you can know how to take the right trade. So if market is bullish, you look for bullish formations. If market is bearish, you look for bearish formations. If the market is bullish and you see a bearish formation, you don't take it. Only look out for if market is buying, you buy. If market is selling, you sell. Okay. Now that is why we didn't take that trade. Now if you look at what is happening here, now, you will see that I don't know if this is even reacting, but I think I have 2 points here, but I'm going to look at this very well. But let me just reduce this to this point. Now, if you look at what is happening here, first of all, you can see that prices have broken through this. This is a resistance, break retested as support, broken retested as what? Resistance, broken retested as support, support, resistance, broken retested as support, and then price is coming back here again. Okay, price is doing what? Coming back here again. Okay. Now, this place now becomes a zone of interest for me because of what? We have what? Area price have reacted from in the past. And on top of that, we'll have this inefficiency here, fair value gap, and then we'll have this what? Order block. We'll have this order block. I told you guys about order block. Okay. So now this place becomes a zone of interest for me. And I ask myself, do I have, with the current movement of price, do I have a harmonic structure that will potentially lead to us to this BRZ area of interest? And I find one which is a bad pattern. And we are bullish. I'm looking for sell. If we break below this level, let's say I take a loss on this level, then we are not bearish. The order flow have changed. So this is just a video to explain to you guys how to pick out higher probability trading setup using the concept of harmonics. If you watch this video and you don't like this video, bros, you no try oh. I won't lie to you. If you watch this video and at the end of this video you don't like this video, you don't share, you don't like the video, you no try. Yes, I'm talking to you. You no try. Even the one I posted on the potential reversal zone area of interest, if you watch that video and you don't like that video, you no try. You no try. You no try. You like it. That is all I need from you. At least show appreciation that what you are learning is making sense to you. And if you have questions, you watch the video, you have questions, you ask questions. If you have anywhere you need clarification, you let me know. But if you watch the video, at least you like and share. You like. That is all. Just click like, follow, subscribe. That is all. I don't need anything from you. So you still your guy here with the great. I wish you guys all the best in your trading opportunity. So bye for now, guys.